What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. I got some tool deals for you. These are going to be at Direct Tools Factory Outlet, and they are doing 40% off almost everything. Killer deals, but they're also doing free shipping with code. So everybody's going to be able to get this code, so you don't have to worry about that. So that's going to help you guys get some tools really cheap, because usually their shipping is a flat rate of $14.99, but they're going to be doing free shipping, so pretty cool. So first up, most of this is going to be ryobi tools. They got some drill bits here, 40% off. And in case you guys don't know, Direct Tools Factory Outlet sells factory blemished and then factory reconditioned tools, but these are still going to come with a warranty. So for instance, factory blemished here, you'll see it's like new merchandise. Slight cosmetic flaws, price below MSRP, full manufacturer's warranty, so you don't have to worry about that warranty. But I have purchased at least 5 ryobi tools from these guys. I just picked up the 4-mode ryobi HP mid-torque impact wrench from them. I picked this up on one of their other sales for $49. When I got it shipped to my house, this thing was brand new in the box. Couldn't tell that anything was wrong with it. It was factory blemished, so who knows where the blemish was. I couldn't find it, but I mean, that was a killer deal, and I was able to pick that up at more than 50% off on one of their other sales. Really, really good deal. So like you guys see over here, 40% off. They got some drill bits, drive bits here, $6, not a bad deal. They got some more drill bits here, 40% off. Here they got the sprayer for ryobi, 50% off on this, $44.99. And I'm going to be showing you guys some examples that these are truly discounted prices compared to Home Depot. So we got some more drill bits here, 40% off. So you guys can see, and you guys can pause this at any moment to be able to take a closer look at these. Got some oscillating blade sets, 40% off. These are going to be some really nice pickups, and like I said, you will not have to pay shipping on these. Shipping is going to be free, which is a really good deal. So for instance here, rigid. This one is not factory blemished like you guys see up here. This one is going to be factory reconditioned. When we click into this, it's still got a 1-year warranty included with that. So really, really nice. You're going to be covered whether it's factory blemished or factory reconditioned. So look at this, guys. The rigid pneumatic 1 3/4 inch roofing nailer, 102, 40% off. So let's go ahead. I got the tab up here. Same thing. Obviously, this is brand new, but this is Home Depot, $219 for this. You go to Direct Tools, 102, killer deal, free shipping. So, I mean, you're going to be getting a huge discount on these tools through Direct Tools Factory Outlet. Here are some more examples. You guys looking for maybe some tool bags. They got all their tool bags by ryobi, 40% off it looks like. 13-inch tool bag, only $21. Don't have to worry about the shipping because it's free. $36 for the 24-inch tool bag. So go look over here. 13-inch tool tote, $39.97. Go over to Direct Tools, $21. Nice discount. They got the 24-inch tool bag. This one's $36. 24-inch tool bag, $63. What a deal on the tool bag. So only $36 for that. That's a really good deal. They got the 16-inch backpack. That one's going for $60 on Home Depot's website. Come over here, $33. You guys cannot beat these prices. Really, really good prices on most of these tools, bags, drill bits, whatever you're looking for. Some aren't as much as others. This one's 27% off for the right angle drill. You got, here's another one, 40% off, ryobi 40 volt. This is an HP 12-inch chainsaw kit coming with the battery and the charger for this one. I got this one up here somewhere. Here it is. Same exact thing, $279. Come over here, $162. You're getting a killer deal on these tools at Direct Tools Factory Outlet. Truly 40% off, free shipping. Batteries are included. This is factory blemish, but guess what, guys? Includes a full manufacturer's warranty. And I've bought numerous tools from these guys, got them at really discounted prices, and I actually utilized their warranties before too, and they work flawlessly. Here we got the ryobi 1 Plus 5 tool combo kit, 180 bucks, 40% off in that. You guys looking for a light duty toolkit, something for you DIYers, homeowners, 180 bucks is a steal of a deal. Here's the 40 volt edger, 9-inch edger kit. This is going to come with the battery. This is a 40 volt HP, $222, right? We go over to Home Depot, same thing. This is the kit. This is the 9-inch edger, $449. $449. Come over to Direct Tools, $222, 40% off. It's actually more than that, I think. Crazy, crazy deal, guys. And this is coming with everything. The charger, coming with the battery. Go ahead and click into this for you. And it says right here, this is coming with the 4 amp hour battery, 3-year limited warranty. Charger and everything's coming with this, guys. Right there, charger, battery, edger, manual. $222. Oh, and then for the free shipping, the free shipping code is JANFREESHIP. So that you just got to plug that in. I've already used this, works fine. I've already purchased something from this sale and got a killer deal. Here's another one. You got the 2-tool combo kit, 138 bucks. This is ryobi 1 Plus. These are pretty handy around the house. I got this chainsaw, did reviews on this. It works really well. 138 with this, coming with the battery, charger, pole saw, and the 8-inch saw. That's what it's going to look like. 138 for that. $259 at Home Depot. Another really, really good deal, guys. 138, saying it's 40% off. Nice deal. They're not lying. You're getting a killer deal. Some of these, you're not going to get a discount. They're going to be pretty similar to what you would pick up at Home Depot. So without the 40% off or really any discount, I would just stick to what you're picking up at Home Depot. Here is the ryobi HP Rotary Toolkit, 40% off, $90. Factory blemish. So like I said, these all come with warranties. Here is the Rotary Toolkit at Home Depot, $159 HP, same exact setup. Come over to Direct Tools, $90. Like I said, guys, you cannot beat these deals. Really, really good deals. I've bought numerous stuff from these guys and have had no issues. Really happy with their service, their shipping, and their prices. Products worked perfectly fine. And also there's a warranty if you do need to use it. Here is the fogger with the battery, charger, $30. Shit, if you guys are just looking for a charger and a battery, that might be worth it. Scroll through, got some other random stuff. They got some bristle brushes, pick from. Here's another rotary tool station, $42. Guys that are into hobbies might use this tool. 42 bucks, guys, for this. Come over to Home Depot, $89. So another really, really good deal. $42 for that one. Scroll down a little bit further here. They got some ryobi link toolboxes. No discounts on those. Here's another 40% off. Guys looking for just a simple ryobi charger, 15 bucks. Go over to Home Depot's website, $34.97 for that. So another nice discount, 15 bucks. Free shipping to your door. Really, really good deal, guys. Here's another one. Guys looking for the ryobi belt sander, 40% off, $84 for this one. Go over to Home Depot's website, $189. Same exact tool, just a huge discount. Almost $100 off on that one at $84. Got the fan, 40% off at $72. The rigid charger, 18 bucks for that. Here's another good deal. They got the 12-inch electric pressure washer surface cleaner. I use this every spring. Works really well with my ryobi pressure washer. 40% off on this. You go over to Home Depot's website, coming in at $99 for the 12-inch surface cleaner. Another really, really good deal. Scroll down, they got some vacuum accessories marked down 40% off. Really good deal. 31% off on the 2-tool combo kit here, $89.99. Those are just the Ryobi 1 Plus. Here's the rigid circular saw, 7 1/4, $78. Check out Home Depot, $169 for that rigid 7 1/4 inch circular saw. So even great deals on rigid. Scroll down a little bit further. Got tons of stuff on their website marked down. And really a good time to take advantage of it because the shipping is free. $149 for the 40-volt blower. They got the Ryobi 5.5 circular saw, only 20% off on that one. Here's another good deal, guys. You guys looking for SDS rotary hammer? Here's a Ryobi HP 5/8 inch SDS rotary hammer, $84. Tool only, of course. Come over to Home Depot's website, $149 for that one. Huge discount, $84 on that one. Like I said, factory blemish, but it still comes with the warranty. So nice pickup on that one. Got some discounts on the HP mowers, 40 volt. Here's another one. Here's the Ryobi 40 volt backpack power supply, right? $240. This is a huge discount. $449 if you go to Home Depot. Same exact tool, $240, 40% off. Shipped to your home. Not a bad pickup, guys. Got the 18-inch surface cleaner, 102. So tons and tons of deals going on at Direct Tools Factory Outlet. Free shipping going on. Here's the Ryobi HP impact driver, only $42. This is the HP tool only, $89.97. Same thing, HP 1/4 inch impact driver. Go over Direct Tools, $42. You just cannot beat these prices. Here's another great one. You guys looking for a bunch of tools? Here's the 8-tool combo kit, $444. Right, you're getting a little bit of everything on this one. Circular saw, hammer drill, impact wrench, multi-tool, sawzall, angle grinder. You get the light, you get some batteries, you get the bag. This one is the 8-tool combo kit coming in at $444. 8-tool combo kit, $749 at Home Depot. Same thing, $749. Only difference is this one is factory blemish, but like I said, this includes the full manufacturer's warranty, guys. Free shipping with JANFREESHIP to your door. So this is just a really, really good deal, guys, for some discounted tools. Here's another combo kit, HP, $96. We got the rigid 2-tool combo kit, only $108, 40% off on that. Another really good deal. Here's another version of it here for $120. Here's the 2-tool combo kit, HP for Ryobi, come with the hammer drill and impact, $132. Come over to Home Depot, $229 for that one. Scroll down a little bit further here, 40% off on the Ryobi 1 Plus drill driver kit, $60 for that. 4-tool combo kit for HP, $180. So a bunch of deals going on, guys. Here's another 5-tool combo kit. Looks like they're throwing in the miter saw with this one. $288. But tons and tons of deals going on, guys. And like I said, best of all, free shipping going on as long as you use that code when you're at checkout, guys. So that's not even all of it. I just went over some of the deals at Direct Tools Factory Outlet. You're definitely going to want to check this out, especially if you're into Ryobi or ryobi tools, or some rigid tools. Definitely some really good deals going on. Don't have to worry about the warranties. They got warranties on their products. So that's a nice insurance policy when purchasing from Direct Tools Factory Outlet. I'll make sure I put a link in the description box below, guys. I'm not affiliated with this website at all. I'm not getting any kickback. Check out Direct Tools Factory Outlet. Definitely a good way to pick up some discounted tools. Guys, got any comments or questions? Put them in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. Like I said, guys, just want to put this out here. Really great way to get some discounted tools right now. Free shipping going on. check them out. Direct Tools Factory Outlet. I got the link down below. Now, if you guys like videos like this, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button so this gets out to more people. Until the next one, I'll talk to you later.